New day, new video. Hold on, dog. It's fucking windy as hell. My feet all up, man. Alright, so listen. What's up, man? I'm hype. I got my first sale on my shirts. I'm only charging $15, man. If you want one, hit me up on Facebook. If you don't, you don't. I don't care. I just want to see how many people can support me while I support them. You feel me? You gotta support the right people, and the right people will support you. But on my way to get the fat boy. Well, he's not fat, but he's greedy as hell. I hear the music. Oh, my fault. You ain't supposed to hear the music, but yeah. Gotti gang, man. Watch what I'm doing, man. I'm about to get straight to it. Niggas don't even know. But today, I'm building Bub's TV stand. And he's going to help me because it's his. So, I'll be back after I get him. And I'm going to try to keep this as short as possible. So, you got time to watch it. Right? Nobody got time for 20 minutes to watch me do nothing. So, 5 minutes. That's it. Maybe 6. You ready to put it together?
Okay, we're about to start. So you need tape, instructions, screws, screwdriver, well, power drill, hammer. That's all we need.
You will need some scissors because this is kind of hard to open. Ain't like no bag of chips. Like, you can't just put that thing open. You gotta do some crazy stuff to it. But we're on step number 1. Oh, this is about to be real fast. We're about to do this real quick. Ready, bud?
Yeah.
Alright, let's do it. Okay, so look. Halfway through, right? This guy's over there. Come here, man.
What is it?
Why you ain't help me? And it's done.
Huh?
This is how it should look.
I done.
Boom.
That's why, as of this morning, I've sold my company to concentrate on crime fighting.
I ain't put the back piece in there because I'm not hammering. I ain't got time to be hammering. I ain't doing all that. You like it, bud?